Typhoon Juan made landfall before noon on Sunday.
Ramdam na ang epekto ng El Nino sa lahat ng bayan sa
In the Philippines, at least 70 people have died in floods caused by...
Millions of gallons of water pouring through the Swat Valley, a force of nature with no
Drought is
restraint.
affecting many areas, but the high cost of food and fuel is
This is what it's like in downtown New Orleans right now.
Typhoon Kitsana has killed at least 86 people in the Philippines and
It's supposed to be harvest season, but it isn't turning out the way farmers in the northern Philippines had
With
hoped.
expected changes in the climate system.
CDG-12, the responsible consumption and production. It is the global goal that encourage the people, businesses, and also the government to use resources wisely, reduce waste, produce goods in a way that do not harm people or our planet. It is about living well without destroying the environment.
What is the issue? Our world today is facing a big problem. People are using too many resources and producing too much waste. This is called unsustainable consumption and also production. We use large amounts of water, energy, and raw materials from nature. Many people buy products, use them for a short time, and then throw them away. Factories and also industries often produce goods in ways that cause pollution, greenhouse gas emissions, and environmental damage. CDG-12 focuses on changing these harmful practices so people can live well without destroying the planet.
Who are affected? Everyone, because we all breathe the same air and drink the same water. Poor communities, especially those live near factories and dump sites and polluted rivers, and also the workers in unsafe factories and mines who may face health risks. Future generations who may have fewer resources and more damaged environment. Also, animals and plants whose habitats are destroyed or polluted. So this problem is not just about things or product, it's about people's health, fairness, and the rights for future generation.
When does it happen? This problem happens every day, often without us noticing it. It happens at every stage of a product's life. First, raw materials are taken from nature. When products are made in factories, when goods are transported and packed, when we buy, use, and finally throw away these products from the moment something is produced until the moment it becomes waste, responsible choices are needed.
How does it affect society and the environment? Unsustainable consumption and production affect society in many ways. It can lead to health problems such as respiratory illnesses from air pollution or diseases. From dirty water, governments have to spend more money on waste management, cleanups, and healthcare. Often rich people consume more but poor people suffer more from the pollution.
In short, it can make life harder, more expensive, and less fair for many people. And it also has effect on environment are very serious. It causes air, water, and soil pollution. It contributes to climate change because of high energy use and greenhouse gas emission. It leads to destruction of forests, oceans, and natural habitats. Wildlife is harmed or killed by plastic waste, chemicals, and loss of habitat. We use up non-renewable resources such as fossil fuels and certain minerals, which cannot be replaced quickly. This damage to the environment also comes back to hurt humans because we depend on nature for food, water, and clean air.
Why is the SDG important? SDG 12 is very important for several reasons. The Earth's resources are limited. If we keep wasting them, future generations may not have enough. It helps us reduce pollution and slow down climate change. It supports healthier communication and fairer societies, where people are less exposed to harmful waste and pollution. It is connected to many other SDGs such as SDG 1, Good Health and Well-being, SDG 3, Clean Water and Sanitation, SDG 6, Climate Change, SDG 13, by making our consumption and production more responsible, we help protect both people and the planet.
True sustainability requires us to practice the expanded R's by refusing unnecessary waste, reducing our daily consumption, and reusing what we have, while actively supporting eco-friendly brands and educating our communities to ensure that every individual choice helps build a healthier, cleaner planet for future generations.